Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a pretty cool car, 1962 Nash Metropolitan. Beautifully restored, gorgeous colors too. It's teal and white. It's a fun little car to get around. This was the age of the micro car. It's got a little 4-cylinder in it. Runs great. Restored to factory specs. Cutest little car. Super nice paint, chrome, stainless. Gorgeous body. That big book that comes with it. It's a cute car. Little spare in the trunk. Big lofty bench seat up front. Showing 78,323 miles. Fire it up for you. Man, cool car. Wow. Very cool. Great oil pressure too. Like old school Stewart Warner gauges. We got a whole book too. Good stuff in there. Yeah, it runs great. Very cool. Cute little back seat. Where the battery is under there. That's a big trunk. Cool. It's actually pretty deep. So cute with the spare on the back. Yeah, I love it. It's the cutest little car. Well, guys, thanks for joining us. Any questions at all, give me a shout, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on my website. It's weebyautos.com. And smash that subscribe button. Thanks a lot.